Good morning, sir. Hello, sir. I am your assistant Sparky the Pikachu.
Pika Pika!
Type the command, sir. Hello, sir. Type the command, sir. Just doing my thing. Type the command, sir. Sparky is human version of Pikachu. Type the command, sir. Okay.
Pikachu! Pika Bee!
Type the command, sir. You can ask me to play music, send mail, ask general questions. Type the command, sir. Okay. Type the command, sir. Okay. Type the command, sir. Searching. Got it. 43 degrees Celsius. 40 minutes ago. Type the command, sir. Searching. Got it. 9:40 and 28 seconds AM UTC plus 04 Monday, June 10th, 2019. Type the command, sir. Searching. Got it. 100. Type the command, sir. Searching. Got it. 5. Type the command, sir. Searching. Got it. Wikipedia says, Bharat, Translate India, is a 2019 Indian Hindi language action drama film written and directed by Alia Vas Zafar. It is jointly produced by Atul Agnihotri, Alvira Khan Agnihotri, Bhushan Kumar, Krishan Kumar, Nikhil Namit and Salman Khan under the banners Real Life Productions, Salman Khan Films and T-Series. Type the command, sir. Searching. Got it. 1 noun, a period of time spent sleeping. 2 noun, a soft or fuzzy surface texture. 3 noun, a yarn, as in a rug or velvet or corduroy, that stands up from the weave. 4 noun, sleeping for a short period of time, usually not in bed. 5 noun, a card game similar to whist, usually played for stakes. 6 verb, take a siesta. 6 meanings. Type the command, sir. Bye, sir. Have a good day.